के ऑर्थर का कहना है वेस्ट इंडीज के खिलाफ मैच में शिकस्त एक डरावना ख्वाब था। अफगानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान के मैच में दोनों टीमों ने हैरानकुन खेल पेश किया।
टॉप ऑर्डर बैटिंग को मजबूत करने के लिए मेहनत की है। उम्मीद है आइंदा मैचेस में टीम फतह हासिल कर लेगी। लंदन में मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए उनका क्या कहना था, ये देखते हैं।
That really haunts me would have been the loss to the West Indies. We couldn't do anything about the rain. You can't control that. We could control the West Indies game, and I think that was the game right at the start of the tournament where we should have hit it firing and we didn't. The intensity was amazing. I thought the two teams going at each playing was amazing. Obviously can't really comment on what happened between the supporters. What I do know though is we've had unbelievable support here in England. I mean, Birmingham, the game against Birmingham was probably the best atmosphere I've ever seen at a cricket ground. The roar when Babar Azam got 100 was amazing. I just want to thank the supporters we've had here in England's been amazing.